Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy out of Jolly Ranchers. First, you will need to gather your supplies, including a cotton candy machine and your favorite Jolly Rancher candies. Make sure your machine is clean and ready for use. This simple process will transform those hard candies into a delightful, fluffy treat. It's a fun and easy way to enjoy a unique flavor of cotton candy. To begin, unwrap approximately 6 to 8 Jolly Ranchers. It's crucial that every piece of candy is completely free of its wrapper. If you have larger candies, you might want to break them into smaller, more manageable pieces. Remember, only hard candies work best for this method. Avoid any soft or chewy varieties to prevent issues with your machine. Now turn on your cotton candy machine and allow it to preheat for a few minutes. Once it's ready, carefully drop the prepared Jolly Rancher pieces into the center spinning head. You'll soon see the candy melt and begin to spin into fine, colorful threads. Use a paper cone or a stick to gently collect the cotton candy as it forms around the bowl. For the best experience, always clean your cotton candy machine thoroughly after each use to prevent sugar buildup. Don't hesitate to experiment with various Jolly Rancher flavors to discover your favorite combinations. It's also a good idea to let the machine cool down for a few minutes between batches. Now, go ahead and enjoy your delicious, homemade Jolly Rancher cotton candy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.